Welcome. Today I will share with you 7 ideas for students that you can start with and earn some profit through side hustles. First, creating a store on TikTok. This is very easy and doesn't require any money. All you need is to film using your mobile phone. All you need to do is download the TikTok Shop app, then you upload pictures of your products, write the description and enter the title, then submit them for review. This will take a few days for your products to be ready as well. Here you will only need to work 2 hours a day. Second, working on websites that ask for your opinions on products or services, or for you to provide feedback. These are important websites that rely heavily on these opinions to build their future plans and also to market their sales. You can earn an amount no less than $50 to $100 per day. Here I will introduce you to 3 websites as examples of platforms that do this kind of work. First, the Respondent website. This website collects your opinions and you can write comments on products and so on, and you earn money through it. Also, the User Interviews website. This is a very important website and offers you the same services. There's also focusgroup.com, which is one of the key websites in this field. Third, freelancing online. Here, you can learn simple skills such as writing, video editing, or programming using basic codes, or even sell your own simple handmade product on Facebook or Pinterest. Fourth, sell your old products or those you no longer need. You can also sell your friends' products or belongings in exchange for a small commission. All you need to do here is take attractive photos of these products and list them on one of the websites. Here I'll give you the website vinda.com, which is one of the well-known sites in this field. Provide a clear photo, accurate specifications, and competitive prices, and the sales will come to you. Fifth, dropshipping. The idea is simple. You create an online store, and I'll show you how to do that in just a few minutes. Second, choose a supplier for your products. You select a supplier, and when a customer orders a product, the supplier handles shipping it directly to the customer. It's that simple, and you earn money. So now, let me explain how to build the store. The Shopify platform allows you to create a fast and outstanding store, and it's one of the most popular sites in this field. There is also a website that will provide you with ideas for winning products and give you highly reliable suppliers, making the process much easier for you. 6. Language dubbing. This is a very important job for content creators on online platforms like YouTube and others. Content creators need you to dub their videos so that these videos can be converted into many languages. How can you get started? There are many platforms like Fiverr and Bawork. Through these sites, you can offer these services. They are well-known platforms and registration is completely free. Stay tuned for the next video with a new way to earn money. Don't forget to support us, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. Have a good evening.